front of me is LENOVO TAB P12 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this tablet. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now select alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon. After that, you need to set up an hour and choose OK. Then select days of the week that you wish to set up. I will go with Mondays and Fridays and click on Vibrate to disable and enable vibrations. After that, tap on Add Label over here. Create your label and save it by choosing OK. Now click on Default and click on Dismiss over one of those sources. When you're ready, tap on the best ringtone for you and go back. You can also choose Add New over here and pick music from your device. I don't have any, so I have to click on one of those and go back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by clicking on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also delete it by choosing this bin icon under Google Assistant routine. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!